Hello gorgeous, my name is Lily Jasmine and welcome to day 3 of our 7 days of twerk. Today I'm going to teach you how to bounce when you pull up your knee. And before we do that, we are going to start with our leg warm-up as always. So start raising them legs. If you need a wall or anything, you know the drill. You can hold on to a wall. Make sure to really squeeze. And I hope you practiced yesterday's move and day one, the move of day 1, because today we have a third move and it's going to be hard doing the whole choreo if you don't have the separate moves, but I believe in you, so I know you can do it. Keep going and keep lifting that leg. We are almost there. We only have 10 more to go, and then we're going to switch our legs. And then we are done with our leg workout. I'm already going to tell you for this move, you're going to need a chair to practice. So already start thinking about where you're going to get a chair from. Maybe you're already holding a chair because you are lifting your leg. I think that was 10. Switch. And breathe in, keep breathing. My booty is sore. Bah, bah, bah. Keep going. And you can balance with your arms if you want. If you don't have a wall, I do this because it hurts. This is distracting me from the pain. But we are almost there, so all good, all good. Keep lifting that leg. We only have 5 more to go. Keep going. And done. Now place one hand on your heart, the other one on your belly. Close your eyes and breathe in. Then exhale. We're going to do that one more time. Breathe in. And exhale. Now relax your forehead and let go of the tension in your jaw. And repeat after me. When it gets hard, I can do it. I get to do what I want to do. I am strong. When it gets hard, I can do it. I get to do what I want to do. I'm strong. When it gets hard, I can do it. I get to do what I want to do because I'm strong. Now smile, give yourself a little squeeze, open your eyes, and let's get started. Now grab yourself a chair. I have one here. Sorry for the sound. Doesn't really matter what kind of chair it is. Just place the chair in front of you. Now place one foot on top. Ba, ba, ba. Well, that's basically the move. Now make sure that your weight is above your standing leg. So don't stand like this. It's not a 70s video clip. We want to make sure that our standing leg is close to the chair so that when we put our other foot or our other leg, we lift it up, it's kind of in a 90-degree angle. So also no such things like this, because this is going to make it harder and doesn't make it pop as much. So make sure it's in a 90-degree angle. If you want, if this is hard on your flexibility, you can bend your standing leg a little bit. Make sure that you're standing up straight though. And then what we are going to do is we're going to lift one ass cheek up by squeezing our lower back. It's still the same thing as whenever you bounce up, ta, ta, but you just do it to one side. So ta, 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 ta. Or actually, you throw both your butt cheeks to the left side in this case. So let's do it 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 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 up. Good job. I'm sure you nailed that. Make sure that your hand is on your knee to make it a little bit cute and also in preparation of the move that we are doing. Now what we're going to do is ta, ta. We're going to do it twice.
and we are going to hop up a little bit. It's kind of like this, the thing we did in day one where we went up to our toes and threw our booty up. We're gonna do that now, but on one leg. What a party. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 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 up. Good job. Now take away that chair. And we have both our legs standing here. We're gonna go up, down, up, down. You can hop a little bit on your leg like we did with the chair as well. Up, down, up, down. One more, up, down. Now we are gonna hit our leg. So 5, 6, 7, 8, whenever it comes up. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Saw me lose balance there. Lol. Now to make it a little bit harder, if this is already enough. So if you want to do this, ta, 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 completely fine with me. If you want to challenge yourself, we're gonna make it a double bounce when you come up. So ta, ta, down, ta, ta, down, ta, ta, down, and ta, ta, down. We're gonna do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta, down, and ta, ta, down, and ta, ta, down, and ta, ta, down. Good job. So that was today's move. I hope to see you back for tomorrow, which is the final move of this choreo. And then we are going to all put it all together the day after. And then you've got yourself a TikTok video. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Good luck, and I see you tomorrow.